Introducing the iPhone 17 Ultra, a masterpiece of innovation crafted to redefine what's possible, designed with precision, engineered for performance, and built to inspire. Experience the brilliance of a 6.9-inch Super Retina display. Every detail is vivid, every color true to life. With a stunning 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling feels effortless, gaming is more immersive, and everything you do is smoother than ever. Whether you're watching your favorite content or capturing memories, this display makes every moment shine. At the heart of the iPhone 17 Ultra is the revolutionary Apple A19 Pro chip, built for speed, designed for efficiency. Experience lightning-fast performance, from high-intensity gaming to pro-level video editing. Every task feels seamless, every interaction instant. With enhanced AI-driven optimization, your iPhone is always one step ahead. With 12 gigabytes of RAM, the iPhone 17 Ultra is built for powerful multitasking. Switch between apps instantly, edit high-resolution videos, and push performance to the limit without ever slowing down. And with up to 1 terabyte of storage, you have the freedom to store more of what matters. Your photos, your videos, your entire digital world, right at your fingertips. Every moment deserves to be captured in stunning clarity. The all-new 48-megapixel rear camera system is designed to do just that. From ultra-detailed daytime shots to breathtaking low-light photography, advanced AI processing ensures every shot is perfect. And with the enhanced portrait mode, every subject stands out with professional-level bokeh. The 24-megapixel selfie camera with Face ID is seamlessly integrated into the dynamic island, offering a fluid and immersive experience. With improved HDR and smart AI adjustments, your selfies look crisp, natural, and full of life. And for content creators, cinematic video mode ensures your videos are smooth, sharp, and stunningly professional. Powering your day is a high-capacity 4,700 milliamp hour battery, delivering all-day battery life. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or staying productive on the go, the iPhone 17 Ultra keeps up with you. And with intelligent power management, energy efficiency is optimized like never before. Fast charging and MagSafe support mean you're always ready to go. iOS 19 takes the iPhone experience even further, smarter, faster, and more personal than ever before. With enhanced widgets, new customization options, and deeper AI integration, your iPhone adapts to you. And with next-level privacy and security features, your data stays protected because your peace of mind matters. The future of the smartphone is here. The iPhone 17 Ultra. Powerful, intelligent, and designed for those who demand the best. Launching September 2025, starting from $1,250. iPhone 17 Ultra. Ultra performance. Ultra experience. Ultra you.